Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the comments. Let's get straight into it. Chef Andre says, thanks for the TA. You are welcome. Dylan says, I'm not that technical, but those are in my portfolio. Hey, Siakwan is going to do very well eventually. So, high five. And Dylan says again, Bone, DESO, VRA, and METAV MetaVPaD. Oh, okay. Those are in my portfolio. Okay. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at Bone. Okay, so Bone is going to do very well. Very well eventually. Our expectation, of course, again, Bone can always drop to 0 anytime, right? But if all things go well, I think Bone Shiba is going to fly to the moon, in my opinion, right? The reason being that, yeah, this is a huge accumulation, which I think is going to break out towards the upside. Very likely $10. $10 is, you know, within grasp eventually. So right now it's at 60 cents. We're anticipating 50 cents. So we're very interested in Bone. So yeah, we're waiting for this level. Will it come? I don't know. We might just start blasting off from here. And after that's it. We'll be buying Bone close to $1, right? Instead of 50 cents. So it doesn't really matter because this is confirmation that the move has already started. Otherwise, we could be heading lower. Right, and again, you got to bear this in mind, which is that the width of the accumulation, which means that the longer it takes to accumulate, the higher it is once it starts breaking out. So we are anticipating this, right? So yeah, there you go. There you go. That's our take for Bone. What else do you have? DESO. Is it here? Let me see whether we get it here. DESO on Gates. Yeah, relatively new. There's nothing much for DESO. Look at this. Yes, I think there's something coming on for DESO. You know what's happening for DESO? Look at this. Bro, you got very good. Your portfolio is looking really good. I think it's a very nice squeeze coming on A, B, C. This is already a D. I think we're going to get an E here. Hopefully. DESO stays above the skinny pink line. Then that's it. We break out. Right now we're at $11. Where could we go up to? It's all-time high. I'm going to ignore this week, right? It's all-time high. I'm going to assume it's about 164. So this is a potential, 10x. It's a potential 10x for DESO, right? But the thing about DESO is that it's not available widely. It's only available in CoinEx or Gate. Either one of these two. So but anyway, the chart pattern looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. So good job, man. Good job. That's all. VRA. We have VRA here. VRA USDT. Okay, let's look at it on Gate as well. Gate is anything? No, nothing much for us to work with. Sure, I can call this a falling channel, right? This whole thing could be like a wave 1, down for 2, probably get a 3, 4, 5. Maybe. Again, not entirely sure. Could we still, slip back down under the skinny pin for sure? There's just no clear chart pattern for VRA, so I'd be very careful about VRA. MetaVPaD. Do we have it here? Oh, we do have it on MaxC. Okay, let's look at it on MaxC. Woohoo! Look at this. Woohoo! This is also a very nice squeeze potentially, right? Very long A. B, C. Hopefully it's a very long E as well. We're already coming up for a D. So we're in the final move of the accumulation, right? If and when we blast off, I think we're going to head towards $1. So getting it at 1 cent would be awesome. 1 cent to 10 cents is a 10x. 10 cents to $1, 100x, yo. So yeah, I think this could get 100x. Again, no guarantees here. We still haven't completed the E yet. Again, we could still drop all the way back down. So yeah, again, we're not entirely sure. Now we would love it if you could get something clearer. But yeah, I think you have quite good picks. Out of 4, I think Bone and DESO is the ones that I'm more confident with. So yeah, I think you should do well. All you need is just one coin to do 100x, right? Let's say, for example, if you have, I don't know, 100,000, right? If you split it into 4 coins, 25, 25, 25, 25, 25,000, right? All you need is just one coin to do a 100x. Even a 10x is really insane, right? So let's say if you have 25,000, right? And then you do 100x, it's 2.5 billion, right? If it's 25,000 times 10, it's 250,000, right? It's still a lot. It's still a lot. All you need is just one coin to do really well. And crypto is yeah, wild west. So that's why there's huge volatility, right? So yeah, there we go. 90,000. Let's go. Thank you for making the videos. X-Fund to the moon, yes sir. X-Fund is gonna do very well. Hopefully, and we hope to get it. Yeah, at a very nice entry, right? Golden Mindset says, what other coins do you think have 100x, bro? Yeah, maybe you should join us, you know, in Patreon, right? If you look at the description below the video, you will see a link to Patreon. And if you're interested in technical analysis, feel free to join us. Every day we take a look at we can look at 100x potentials if you want to, but it gets boring after a while. So, okay, let me just review a little bit, right? So, there is a watch list here called Moonshots, right? There are 90 coins here in Moonshots. And these are coins that we are expecting huge returns from. Absolute huge returns. But there are 90 coins. So tell me, how are you going to split your coins? You know, let's say if you have 100%, right? Again, we take 100,000. How are you going to split 100,000 into 90 coins? 1,000 a coin? No, you're not going to. Again, see, so we're having this headache at the moment. We are still deciding what coins to go in, right? And you do not want to spread yourself too thin, and you have to be very selective, right? You can't just pick. You know, again, 90. We can't pick 50 or 60 coins even. It's just insane, right? So, yeah, again, we'll see how it goes first, though. We'll see how it goes. So, yeah, if you've been following my channel, right, regularly, we come across 100x's, right, all the time. So, yeah, stick around, bro. Stick around. Can you do a tea on the QTUM, please, on Fun Fridays? Thanks, Tuts. You're welcome. Ready. Let's look at QTUM. Okay, QTUM, again, I think I've done this before, haven't I? I've said this before. It's a gift. It's a gift for you. Reason being, look at QTUM. Look at QTUM. A, up for a B, down for a C, D, E. Breakout. I think the D, E will be here. And I kid you not, even now, there's already an A, B, C, D, E. Do you see this? QTUM, to me, it's a high quality chart pattern, which is going to break out, in my opinion, and it's going to do very well. That's what we hope, right? Of course, again, talking about trading all is very risky. Nothing is guaranteed. Things can always drop to zero anytime. But with all that being said, I think QTUM is going to blast off very high. Okay, the boys and I, we actually have a target for QTUM. So I'm going to share with you a target here. Our target is 500 bucks, yo. Okay, slightly less than 500 bucks. I think it's 490. Okay, I'll just put it at 490, right? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Black Friday is coming! Huge discounts and Cyber Mondays as well. So, yeah, I think it's going to do very well. 490. Woohoo! Here to 490. How many percent is this? Hey, bro, I can't see it. It's 100x, yo. 15,000%. It's 150x, not just 100, and more than 100x. What? It's gonna melt faces. So, okay, QTUM is gonna do very well. It's gonna do very well. So, yeah. There you go. I will reveal more once it has started moving. But before it starts moving, we'll keep it on the down low, right? Because things can always go wrong, right? Always have to be pragmatic about things. So yeah, hope you enjoy it. Boshed says, "Sayonara, bitches! I miss you so much. Thanks for I think the bull run is here." There could be again at the back of our mind we have we are open to that possibility of a pre-halving scare, a crash, poof, and after that it starts reversing back up, right? We are anticipating that the potential of it happening. If it doesn't happen, great, but if it does happen, even better. But yeah, we are still prepared either way, you know, whether if it crashes or not, right? Because the bull run is already here, and we're expecting much more upside eventually for crypto as a whole, right? We don't really see it being reflected on the total crypto market cap yet, but eventually we're expecting things to do very, 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 very well. We also have a target for BTC, so I think I'll probably review BTC's target eventually once things start maturing, right? But we have a rough target for BTC's next all-time high. So yeah, Crypto Kaspa says Scale offers huge risk reward opportunity if you want to enter at the moment. Bro, how heavy are your bags, bro? Thank you for your insight. You're welcome. Thoughts on NEOBOT and FAKEAI? I think I just did it right, didn't I? NEOBOT. There's nothing for NEOBOT, bro. There's nothing at all. It's just hovering around here and there. Again, just because there's nothing technically doesn't mean it can just start blasting off like that, right? But from a technical perspective, there's nothing for FAKEAI. NEOBOT and FAKEAI, right? Is it FAKEAI? Yeah. Nothing much for NEOBOT and FAKEAI. Again, are you in these two coins? Anyway, FAKEAI is also not really that completed yet, right? Again, we like what we see, right? When there is a retrace and there is a push, right? A buying pressure to push the price back up. This means there is strength. There is a dip. Again, we push back up to the resistance area. Oh, you want to see things like this, right? Again, now we're down. Our hope is that we get a ascending triangle, right? Ascending triangles are bullish chart patterns, and so for that, I think if and when FAKEAI blasts off towards the upside, I am anticipating potentially where we 0007, 0.007. Yeah, that'll be a 10x if and when it occurs, right? Potentially a 10x, but we're dipping right now, so. Yeah, again, I'm not so sure how much lower it's going to go. I suspect we could take out these two lows though, right? But if you go too low over here, we might start building support, right? And then we could still hit lower from here for DeepFakeAI. So I'm not entirely sure, right? But I would still anticipate buying pressure eventually. Even if you were to take out these lows, right? We zip down to take out these lows. Or even if you take out these lows, right? I would still anticipate the wheels to push DeepFakeAI higher. We might get an extended type of an ascending triangle, maybe. But yeah, again, I wouldn't be doing anything at this point of time, right? I don't know where your entry is or where you intend to make a move or what, but I don't know. Technical wise, there's just nothing much for NEOBOT and FAKEAI. Google says, I took a big drink from the cup and handle. What? Mojo says, thanks, you're welcome. KBS says, thanks for posting, you're welcome. You're welcome, boys. Roberto F. Garcia says, came here to get an idea on sell or not to sell my Filecoin. They will unlock this month, so decided to sell at $6 to $8. We'll put it into Kaspa. Filecoin against USDT. Here we have a Filecoin. 6 or 8. But bro, what? No, but okay, you're locked. Okay, so which means that you might have, my guess is you bought Filecoin higher than where it is at the moment, or maybe somewhere around this area, and you want to cut your loss or break even. It's like, I think Filecoin is just about to reverse back up though. And Filecoin is a Arthur Hayes approved coin. You don't want to fade Arthur Hayes because that guy is an OG. So I think Filecoin is something you want to, I mean, storage, right? The category. There are a few categories that you want to be looking at: AI, RWA, Telegram bots, gaming, meme coins. There's also another category which is storage. So Filecoin falls under that storage category. You want to have some exposure to storage as well. So yeah, again, it's your money. If you want to put it into Kaspa, good for you. And Kaspa is really severely overbought. You still want to invest? Good luck. Good luck, Skinny with Slinny. Can you do another ICP video? Yes, sir. Sure. ICP against BTC. Here we are for ICP. Anything for ICP? Yeah, again, we still don't see any clear bullish reversal chart pattern yet. We anticipate ICP to eventually spring back up to life, right? You will see buying pressure pushing the price higher. Ooh, right. But right now, no. right now. So, not really doing anything much, right? We still anticipate the possibility of ICP forming another lower low over here as it heads lower. It's still possible. So we still have to be very careful about rushing in, right? Sure, ICP in the next moment, next day, next hour, it could be blasting off for sure. But again, I don't see anything yet for ICP BTC. Against USD, okay, against USD, ICP needs to come back up here, form maybe a right shoulder here, consolidating, right? Skinny pink line. Zips higher, we go higher, something like this. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Chart pattern of dreams, right? Things that dreams are made of. But again, we still don't see it yet. ICP, of course, could still drop lower. We just don't see any clear signs of proper moves yet. Yes, we are aware there's volume over here, but I mean, in the bigger scheme of things, this is not really that big, right? The all-time high of ICP, I'm gonna neglect this, but all-time high of ICP, if I'm not wrong, is around $300. From $300 to $30 to $3. What? Yeah, that's a 99% drop. So it's gonna take a lot to push the price back up, because along the way there will be resistance, right? Lots of noisy areas along the way. So yeah, the wheels will have their plate full for ICP. Again, if we do something like this, great. This is the foundation for the rocket launch. It's not a rocket, but yeah, so good, but nothing much yet. So Zen says, we're going to bull market, bro. Kaspa, yo, bro. Kaspa is severely overbought. Let's look at it here, so we get a better perspective. Kaspa is severely overbought. It's severely overbought. If anything, I would still wait for a retrace first, and then take a right up, right? Again, retrace, make a move here. I don't know what your entries are, one. Number two, I'm assuming that it's very big for you. You have a very big back in Kaspa. So yeah, again, good luck to you. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. Thoughts on fake? Yeah, just did it. So, alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's comments, replies session. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, thank you very much for all the comments. I absolutely appreciate it. This channel is what it is because of you. So thank you very much. See you in the next one. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Ta-da!